Today is 6th July and currently it is 3:31 p.m. and I am already making the video. I have only studied for 5 hours and I am making the video because I know that I will not be studying anymore. So what happened was, let me tell you that first. I ate my breakfast and then I went to study, and after in my second session I did two sessions of 2 hours. After the first session, in middle of the second session, I started feeling hungry and I thought ki maybe that I'm like my brain is making me feel hungry because I do not want to study. That happens with me, that I tend to want to eat when I'm feeling anxious, and I generally feel anxious when I do not want to study and I still have to study. So I started feeling hungry, but then I ignored it and I had some makhana, but that was not the point. Huh. So turns out that I was really hungry, and uh, after completing 5 hours, I felt like I would die from hunger. And thing is that I'm cooking for myself, so I have my plan was that I would cook 2 meals a day, one breakfast and one lunch/dinner, and that would be it. And in between, I would study, and that would save me a lot of time, which was a very stupid plan. Now I realize it. I have eaten right now. I cooked food and I ate, and it did not take that much of a time from me. But I realized that because I was trying to save time in cooking, I was going into calorie deficit without realizing. So my body is was shutting down. So I calculated my calorie after this, after I realized that maybe I'm not eating enough food. So I was not having enough food. So yeah, anyway, that was what happened, and it kind of scared me. And now I need to look what I'm eating, kind of pay attention to it. But yeah, I read 3 chapters of sociology, which was perspectives on study of Indian society and impact of colonial rule on Indian society, and then rural and agrarian social structure. All three of them are not that big of chapters. Like, I read them and I understood them, but that's those 3 chapters were the only thing that I kind of were like in like my mind was present enough to understand, because I did sociology first. um, but then I started doing economy, uh, first note of economy, unemployment, and taxes and all those things. But I did not grasp them, so I would not say that I studied them. I would try again tomorrow. But yeah, that's like, eat your food. That's the moral of the lesson. And pay attention to what you are eating, because if you do not have enough food, you would end up not being able to study, which is like a very counterintuitive thing that I was doing. And now I'll try to eat more food. I do not know what to cook. Like, this is the biggest concern of my life right now. Like, I'm worried about what to eat. I'm worried about what to make and how to have enough protein. Like, the amount of time I spend on thinking about food, if I just spend that much time on studying, I would be somewhere. But yeah, I'm just I ate, so I'm like kind of feeling like I would sleep now. Yeah, I do not know I will pick up from tomorrow, so I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.